Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today, in this video, I will explain about women entry scheme in Indian Army. In 1992, Indian Army has started induction of women in officers cadre. So far, more than 1200 lady officers has been commissioned into various arms and services of Indian Army. Last year, in April 2019, again, the Indian Army has taken a decision to enroll women as soldiers in Corps of Military Police. Now, I will explain about the entry schemes which are available in Indian Army for women. There are three entry schemes. One, graduate UPSC. Second one, graduate non-UPSC. Third one, graduate technical. Now I will explain for each categories criteria. Graduate UPSC. Notification for this will be issued twice in a year by UPSC under the aegis of CDSE, that is a Combined Defence Service Examination. Educational qualification for this: graduation, age 19 to 25 years. In written examination, there are two subjects. One English, second one is general knowledge. Each paper has 100 marks. Passed and shortlisted candidates will undergo SSB. Selected candidates will go for training at OTA Chennai for 49 weeks. Graduate non-UPSC. In this category, there are two schemes. One, NCC special entry. Education qualification: graduate with 50% of marks, NCC C certificate with B grade, age 19 to 25 years. Notification for this will be issued by DG recruiting twice in a year. There is no written examination. Shortlist candidate will go for SSB, and selected candidates will go to the training at OTA Chennai for 49 weeks. Second scheme in this category is Judge Advocate General. Means commissioned into the Indian Army as advocate. Notification for this will be issued twice in a year by DG recruiting. Age 21 to 27 years. Educational qualification: LLB with 55% of marks. Eligible to register for Bar Council of India or state. Selected candidates will go for a training at OTA Chennai for 49 weeks. Third category, that is graduate technical. This is short service commission technical. Notification for this will be issued by DG recruiting twice in a year. Age 20 to 27 years. Educational qualification: engineering in any stream. There is no written examination. Shortlisted candidates will undergo SSB. Selected candidates will go to the training at OTA Chennai for 49 weeks. This is the entries available for women as officer in Indian Army. In this video, earlier I have already explained about the women entry as soldiers. For this, the educational qualification is 10th class with 45% of marks in aggregate and 33% of marks in each subject. Height 142 centimeters, weight according to the height. Notification for this will be issued by DG Recruiting. Eligible candidates has to apply online through the Indian Army website. Shortlisted candidates will get a call letter to attend for the physical fitness test. In physical fitness test, 1.6 kilometer run. Those who complete this run up to 7 minutes and 30 seconds, they will come under the group 1. Up to 8 minutes comes under the group 2. Long jump 10 feet and high jump 3 feet, it has to be qualified. Call letter for common entrance examination will be issued those who have completed successfully physical fitness test and medical. These are all the entries are available for women in the Indian Army. I will end this video here. If you haven't watched my previous videos, the details available in description box below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.